So, table of contents. In this course, we'll be introducing you to Power BI Desktop, connecting and shaping data, creating a data model, calculating measures with DAX, optimizing Power BI performance, and visualizing data with dashboard. We'll also be telling you what a course project is. For example, you would be given a situation like, for example, you would be hired as a business intelligence analyst by AdventureWorks. It will be a fictional company, a global manufacturing company that produces cycling equipment and accessories. The brief that would be given to you is that the management team needs a way to track KPIs, that is, key performance indicators of sales, revenue, profit, and returns, and compare regional performance, analyze product level trends, and identify high value customers. All you would be given is a folder of raw CSV file which contains information about transactions, returns, products, customers, and sales territories. The objective would be to use Power BI Desktop to connect and transform the raw data, build a relational data model, create calculated columns and measures with DEX, design an interactive dashboard to visualize the data. Don't worry, it's not all about theory. When we'll get into practicals, it'll get so exciting that you would want to get more and more out of it. But also, let me set some expectations. What you see on your screen may not always match mine. Power BI desktop features are updated frequently. With new features and with new versions, new features are released each month. So I may not be using the same version which you might be using, or vice versa. This course is designed to help you build foundational skills only. A goal here is to help you build a deep foundational understanding of Power BI desktop workflow. Some topics may be simplified, and we won't cover some advanced tools like M code, advanced text, or Python visuals. Also, this would be a hands-on and project-based learning experience. You will get the most value out of this course if you follow along closely with the demos and assignments. We will be working through the entire BI workflow to create a professional quality dashboard from scratch. We will not cover Power BI services as a part of this course. This course focuses on Power BI desktop specifically. Online sharing and collaborating features require a separate account and are covered in depth in a separated course. So, all in all, these will be the expectations which you will be having from us, and we are clearing it out on the front. Thank you.